President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has reaffirmed the federal government's commitment to strengthening collaboration with traditional rulers to promote peace, security, national unity and sustainable development across Nigeria, represented by the Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, at the 8th Executive Committee meeting of the Northern Traditional Rulers Council in Dutse. The President said traditional institutions remain critical partners in governance, peacebuilding and community mobilization. Idris noted that the administration has intensified security operations and interagency collaboration against criminal and terrorist groups, while also addressing the root cause of insecurity through economic and social development initiatives. He highlighted key governance interventions, including the establishment of the Ministry of Livestock Development, major highway projects, education financing, consumer credit schemes, and support for small businesses under the Renewed Hope agenda. The minister also urged traditional rulers to support efforts to combat misinformation and promote national cohesion, expressing confidence that the meeting will generate practical recommendations to strengthen peace, unity, and development across northern Nigeria.